Hello all, today we are discuss about JDBC driver. JDBC driver is a software component that enables a Java application to interact with a database. There are four types of JDBC driver. First one is JDBC, second one is native network protocol driver and theme driver. JDBC ODBC bridge driver, first type of driver is, then second one is native API driver, that is partially Java driver, third one is network protocol driver, that is a fully Java driver, and last one is theme driver, that is a fully Java driver. These are the four main types of the JDBC driver. We are discuss one by one. First one is JDBC ODBC bridge driver. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver uses the ODBC driver to connect to the database. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver converts the JDBC method call into the ODBC function call. This is now discouraged because of theme driver. The figure that shows the JDBC ODBC bridge driver. It consists of JDBC API, Java application, JDBC ODBC bridge driver, ODBC driver and vendor database library. This all include in a client machine, and next one is database. Then what are the advantages of JDBC ODBC bridge driver? That is, it is easy to use and can be easily connected to any database. These are the two main advantages of JDBC ODBC bridge driver. Then what are the disadvantages of driver? Performance degraded because JDBC or ODBC method call is converted into ODBC functional set. Second one is the ODBC driver need to be installed on the client machine. These are the two disadvantages of JDBC ODBC bridge driver. Then next type of driver is native API driver. The native API driver uses the client-side libraries of the database. The driver converts JDBC method call into native calls of the database API. It is not written entirely in the Java. The figure that represents the native API driver, it consists of JDBC API, Java application, native API driver, vendor database library. This all include in a client machine and database. Then what are the advantages of JDBC driver? That is performance upgraded than JDBC ODBC bridge driver, and disadvantages are the native driver needs to be installed on the each client machine and the vendor client library needs to be installed on the client machine. These are the two disadvantages of native API driver. Then next type of driver is network protocol driver. The network protocol driver uses middleware, that is application server, that convert JDBC call directly or indirectly into the vendor specific database protocol. It is fully written in Java. The figure that represents the network protocol driver, it consists of client machine and server side. The client machine include JDBC API, Java application and network protocol driver, while the middleware include in a server side and database. This is all about the network protocol driver. Then what are the advantages of network protocol driver? That is no client side library is required because of application server that can be perform many tasks like auditing, load balancing, logging, etc. And what are the disadvantages of network protocol driver? That is, the first one is network support is required on a client side. Second one is requires database specific coding to be done in the middle tier. And last one is the maintenance of network protocol driver becomes costly because it requires database specific coding to be done in the middle tier. This is all about the network protocol driver. Then next type of driver is theme driver. The theme driver converts JDBC call directly into the vendor specific database protocol. That is why it is known as theme driver. It is fully written in the Java language. The figure that represents theme driver, it consists of JDBC API, Java application and theme driver. It includes in client machine and database. This is all about the theme driver. Then what are the advantages of theme driver? First one is a better performance than all other drivers, and second one is no software is required at a client side or a server side. These are the two main advantages of thin driver. Then next one is what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages include drivers depend on the database. The driver is totally depend on the database. This is the main disadvantages of the thin driver. Then next topic is database connection. There are 5 steps to connect any Java application with the database using JDBC. These steps are as follows. Register the driver class, first one. Second one is create the connection. Third one is create the statement. Fourth one is execute queries. And last one is close the connection. This is the 5 steps used for the Java application with the database using the JDBC. We are discussed one by one. The figure that represents the Java database connectivity, that it includes the 5 steps. First one is register driver, second one is get connection, third one is create statement, fourth execute query, and fifth one is close connection. These are the 5 main steps of database connection or Java database connectivity. We are discussed one by one. First one is register the driver class. That is the for name method of class is used to register the driver class. This method is used to dynamically load the driver class. The syntax of for name method is public static void for name include string class name throws class no found exception. This is the syntax used for a name method. Then examples to register the Oracle driver class. Here the Java program is loading the Oracle driver to establish the database connection. That is class dot for name include in bracket in curly in inverted comma oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver curly bracket inverted comma complete bracket complete. This is the example or the program that represent Oracle driver to establish the database connection. Then next step is create the connection object. The get connection method of driver manager class is used to establish the connection with the database. Then syntax of get connection method is public static connection. Get connection include string.url throws SQL exception. Public static connection get connection include string URL, string name, string password throw SQL exception. Then let us consider the example to establish the connection with the Oracle database. That is connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection bracket in inverted comma JDBC Oracle thin at localhost 1521 XC system or password. Let us considering this is the example that represent how we can establish the connection with the Oracle database. Then next step is create the statement object. The create statement method of a connection interface is used to create the statement. The object of statement is responsible to execute the queries with the database. The syntax that are used to represent the create statement method is public statement, create statement, throws SQL exception. This is the syntax that represent or that is used to create the statement method. Let us considering the example to create the statement object. That is statement HTML is equal to con.create statement. This is the example that represent how we can create the statement object. Then next step is execute the query. The execute query method of a statement interface is used to execute queries to the database. This method returns the object of result set that can be used to get all the records of the table. Then the syntax used to execute the query method is public result set execute query in bracket string SQL throws SQL exception. This is the syntax that is used to represent or used to execute the query method. Let us considering the example to execute the queries. That is result set rs is equal to stmt dot execute queries in bracket select from memp while rs dot next curly bracket includes system.out.println in bracket rs.getInt1 include plus rs.getString2. This is the example that represent to how we can execute the queries. Then next step is close the connection object. By closing the connection object, statement and result set will be closed automatically. The close method of connection interface is used to close the connection. The syntax used to represent or used to close the method is public void close thrown SQL exception. This is the syntax that is used to represent the or used to close method or close the connection object. Let us consider in the example to close the connection is con.close empty bracket. This is the example that represent or that shows how we can close the connection. These are the 5 steps to connect any Java application with the database using JDBC. These steps are register to database class, second one is create connection, third one is create statement, fourth one is execute queries, and fifth one is close connection. These are the 5 main steps to connect the any Java application with the database using the JDBC. Thank you guys.